We take 30 seconds to go from a soulmate to a soul hate connection, Deepak. The minute somebody doesn't perform the way we want them to perform, or doesn't think the way or act the way we want them to do, we can go from soulmate to soul hate instantly. तो तब कहाँ जाता है आपका love? Your partner is a mirror to your deepest, darkest self. God is in the word. God is in the word. What are you speaking? What are you listening to? What are you giving out? You know, एक magician होता है ना, magician का एक code word होता है, abracadabra. Do you know what that abracadabra actually means?
I've actually never Googled it.
It means I create as I speak. And I always believe that the universe, whatever it is doing in your favor. It's never going against you. It's like the most loving parent that you can ever have. वो अगर आपको डांट भी रहे हैं तो आपके लिए डांट रहे हैं. आपके हाथ से कोई चीज़ छीन भी रहे हैं तो वो आपके लिए छीन रहे हैं. Not against you. And keep asking. Be very clear of what you want from the universe. मेरे पास एक फोटोग्राफ थी मेरी और ओपरा विनफ्री की साथ में फोटोशॉप की हुई 2002 से. And as if we had both taken a picture together, and I would keep asking the universe, यार मेरे को ओपरा के साथ एक फोटो दे दे. 2012 I met her, she invited me on her show. I was on a show in 2012 in March.
The next 6 months off for India? Can
Yes,
we see
you can.
how does the next 6 months for the country look like?
Yes, you can. Hypnotherapy calls out to me very, very well. Hypnotherapy, tarot. So one thing that you need to get clear and about my background is I'm a psycho-spiritual healer. I am not a psychology graduate. That has been my biggest fight with the world of why they have issues with me practicing, and I have never lied about it. I have never lied about the fact that this was not my life plan. I wanted to be an air hostess. So I got myself educated accordingly.
Okay.
And then I got married at 20. That plan did not take off. And then there was, of course, depressions and suicidal tendencies and all of this jazz also, which I have spoken about multiple times. Then Oprah Winfrey walked into my life, changed my life. I was on the Oprah Winfrey show at one point of time. And then I have had a couple of angelic experiences where I was saved from certain accidents with certain voices. Once I was extremely suicidal and I was saved by somebody who I really still believe was an angelic figure because there was no one around. And that kind of pushed me on to I need to do this. And I bumped into a hypnotherapist and I watched that and I'm like, I can do this in my sleep. Which further got me on to realize that I have been a shaman and I have been a healer in many other past lives as well. So it comes to me very naturally. It's almost like I was born for this. So people never had and the clients just kept coming to me. I've never done anything to promote myself or say come. मेरा ऑफिस के बाहर बोर्ड भी काव्यल सिदानी है. There is no marketing or anything, but people kept coming. They just kept coming. One person after the other. And for the initial many years, I had a lot of resistance that, you know, मैंने तो ये अपने लिए ही सीखा था because I was in a depression. So I would take them to my teachers कि आप, you know, I'm bringing you a client, आप करो. And those people would come right back very angry and very upset saying, listen, we did not like your teacher. तेरे को जितना आता है उतना तू कर. So then I had to learn everything that was available for me to learn, where me not having a psychology degree background was not a barrier. And then the whole alternative healing field, which is massively open, is there. Which was like, I just dived into my own pond because everything was like play for me now, whether it was access bars or whether it was theta, whether it was tarot or whether it was everything else. So the field which they call unregularized in our country, I am that healer. Okay. So my reels are also based on, in my head, I'm a common sense therapist. That I was quite a duffer in school. I was always a 60%, barely failing math all my life. I was not an intelligent student. So I like to teach the way I think I learn best.
Which
and that
is?
is through silly examples, that is through anecdotes, that is through stories. एंड दैट इज़ माई USP. When people say यार आप जिस तरीके से इतना बड़ा कॉन्सेप्ट इतना छोटा सा ऐसा स्टोरी में ऐसा समझा देते हो ना, दैट इज़ फैंटास्टिक. And that is what I continue to do. So I have realized that, you know, we all have a unique blueprint of how we can contribute to the world. And I'm extremely passionate about raising women and their self-esteem and getting them to be more financially independent, because, hey, let's face it, I was not the only woman who did not get the education that she needed, the opportunities that she needed. My parents, my teachers, everybody believed I was good for nothing. So there was no chance. I mean, there was no chance where they could say, अच्छा तू psychology का degree कर ले. तभी हमारे पास, I'm a 1981 born. So there was no guidance that, oh, you know, अच्छा career analysis भी कुछ होता है, ये तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा होगा. कुछ नहीं था ऐसे. I had one condition, जहाँ मैथ्स नहीं होगा वहाँ मैं पढ़ूंगी. My बाप had one condition, जहाँ पे लड़के नहीं होंगे वहाँ पे मैं पढ़ाऊँगा. तो इसका कॉम्बिनेशन में हमारे पास सिर्फ होम साइंस था. एंड देन आई हैड अ वेरी ट्रॉमेटिक चाइल्डहुड, सो आई एम लाइक मैं कुछ भी कर लूँगी वेयर आई डोंट हैव टू स्टे विथ माई मदर अ लॉट. एंड एयर होस्टेसिंग सीम परफेक्ट. So that is how this whole thing came around. And there are multiple thousands and lakhs of women like me who did not have the right guidance, did not have the right education, did not have the opportunity कि आपको, even though you were very qualified, sometimes your family didn't allow you to work. Now, somehow these women are always drawn to me, and I'm hell-bent on making them financially independent. So whatever it is that I'm like, अच्छा ये सीख सकते हैं, ये कर सकते हैं, ये कर सकते हैं, ये कर सकते हैं, चलो, let me handhold you in doing this. And
you would
that seems
actually
to be my
handhold-
calling. I will actually handhold them. Whatever is needed. Whatever is needed. If they need networking, I will open my personal contacts and I'm like, go here, meet this. First, of course, I will do their healing. First, of course, I will do their hypnotherapy and whatever is needed. Remove their blocks, pep them up, give them 2 galis, one jahapad if needed.
Like proper, like give them 2 galis, like proper galis.
Proper galis.
What gali?
तुम बोलो जो गाली की जहाँ पे जरूरत है
आप
वो
बताओ,
आएगा.
give me an example. It
You're-
is the chill hour, ma'am.
Yeah,
I'm sure
I
we
agree.
will
There's
try
a
and-
lot. So, you know, my clients always they always laugh that you charge so much money and then you call us and then you abuse us and then you call us again and then we come also and we pay also. But they remember it like that. They always say that, you know, we have a little caviol in our head, at the back of our head when we are screwing up.
Yeah.
And then I just close my eyes and I would be like, what will caviol tell me right now? And that helps. So I feel like that is my unique blueprint, that in the way that I contribute, whether other people like what I do, don't like what I do, I have come to a point now ke, and this is again something that I have never spoken about, but I always feel like when I said I wanted to be a counselor, they said, oh, you can't be a counselor because you don't have this degree. I said, chalo, I'll be a hypnotherapist. Then somebody else said, oh, you can't call yourself a hypnotherapist because only a person who is a psychology degree can also learn hypnotherapy and then call themselves a hypnotherapist. I'm like, okay, then I'll call myself a life coach. Oh, you can't call yourself a life coach as well because uska bhi abhi naya wala degree aa gaya hai. So now I've come to a point, I said, listen, even if you call me a fakir, I will still continue to do what I'm doing. Because I am born to do what I'm doing and I don't care about your labels anymore. And I continue to do that with the highest level of authenticity, honesty that I can.
What is required to be a hypnotherapist in this country?
See, the rules constantly change. When I did my 5 levels of hypnotherapy, there are actually multiple levels of hypnotherapy and it's a very, very, very tough, very rigorous thing. You have to get yourself a certification from पहले CHII होता था, California Hypnosis Institute of India. फिर वो भी divide हो गया and into 2 and now there is EKAA which certifies you to be a hypnotherapist, where they only teach you the hypnotherapy curriculum. There is no need of you to come from any particular, CA can do it, an engineer can do it, anybody can do it. And then when you finish off level 1, level 2, हर एक level पे उनके exams होते हैं. हर एक level पे you have to do cases and you have to show, you have to record, they will take your interview. तो आसान नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने 2 दिन पढ़ लिया हो गया. It's very tough. So that I did. I became a teacher also for hypnotherapy, which I never got the time to practice because I'm very busy doing hypnotherapy cases. Then I did 5 levels of neuro-linguistic programming, NLP. Then I did family constellations. Then I did tarot. Everything in the field where, मुझे बहुत लोगों ने बोला तुम ये नहीं पढ़ सकते. तो जिसने भी मुझे बोला ना ये तुम पढ़ सकते हो, वो मैंने पढ़ लिया. Whatever is available, I used.
So
And
are you that kind of a person who, if I tell you, Kavyal, you can't play cricket, for example. I'm not saying that, but I'm just saying hypothetically, if I tell you, Kavyal, you can't play cricket, would you go and play cricket just to prove me wrong?
No, I'll be like, okay, what else can I play? I don't get into conflicts. You have told me I can't play cricket. I asked you why. And you said because this, okay, fair. There's something else I can play. I'll go and play that.
But you would logically counter it. You would not be like, नहीं यार ये तो मैं तो खेल सकती हूँ.
नहीं. मैंने ट्राई किया, अगर मैं खेल सकती हूँ तो मैं आपको दिखा दूंगी कि मैं खेल सकती हूँ. And I have learned that over life that there are a lot of MA psychology, PhD psychology people, the ones who are not the judgmental ones, those counselors will themselves come to me and say, Kavyal, I'm stuck here. इधर अब मैं ना हम लोग का कॉग्निटिव वाला काम नहीं चल रहा है. अब इधर what else can you do? So I have a lot of counselor friends who are actually the qualified, degree qualified guys who will eventually come and say, okay, help me with this. There are a lot of interns who come and say, ये तो आप जो कर रहे हो वो तो हमको सिखाते ही नहीं है कॉलेज में. सिखाते हैं उसमें से तो सब सिर्फ थियोरी होता है. क्लाइंट के साथ कैसे बैठना है, एक्चुअल थेरेपी कैसे करना है, ये सब तो सिखाते ही नहीं है.
What is, if you had to like, say explain hypnotherapy to a 5-year-old, how would you explain it?
A 5-year-old is always under the state of hypnosis. If a 5-year-old is watching a cartoon and he's watching Doraemon,
Yeah.
and वो अपने दिमाग में वो खुद डोरेमोन है, उसके दिमाग में खुद he has, he can do multiple things or he can become the. So when I say that, just close your eyes and imagine that Doraemon is doing this for you right now. And he'll be like, yeah, I can imagine this. And I'm like, acha, now imagine that he's doing your homework. Okay, I can imagine. Anything that you can get the child to imagine, you are actually putting him under a state of hypnosis.
Okay.
I am manipulating certain visuals in your brain. Alright? And your brain stores everything in the form of visuals and colors. तो आपके दिमाग में ना सैडनेस भी मैं आपको अगर विजुअलाइज करने में लेके जाऊँ तो सैडनेस भी एक जैसे आएगा कि अच्छा इट लुक्स लाइक अ ब्लू बॉल ऑफ सैडनेस, इट्स फुल ऑफ गैस, ओ माय गॉड इट्स स्पाइकी ऑल्सो. I'm like, okay, alright, let's break it down, let's breathe it out. What can we do? Can we puncture it? Can we laser it? Can we do this? Yeah, we can do that. Okay, do this, and then I will combine EFT, I will combine touch, I will combine energy medicine till that blue ball of sadness is no more there. Or we have transformed it into something. And guess what? When we transform the visual into your head, your energy begins to release itself. तो hypnotherapy is literally me taking you into. लोगों को लगता है that hypnotherapy is past life में लेके जा रहे हैं. वो past life regression होता है. That is also a part of hypnotherapy, which I don't encourage everyone to do. It is not everyone's cup of tea.
Okay.
Okay, because sometimes it can damage you more than it can do you good. लेकिन जो करंट लाइफ का हिप्नोथेरेपी होता है, what we call inner child work, that maybe you were bullied at the age of 15 in your college, maybe you were abandoned by your girlfriend, maybe you were cheated on by somebody, and I will take you right back to that time and I'm like, alright Deepak, what happened here? And you'll have a tear rolling down, or you'll have some resistance play up in your body saying, you'll say, I don't want to talk about it. I'm like, okay, sure, don't want to talk about it, don't talk about it, just tell me how you're feeling. I'm feeling angry, it's a lot of anger. Okay, what does this anger look like? What does it feel like? Acha, let's remove this. Okay, now this girlfriend is in front of you. The 15-year-old you is in front of you. What do you want to say? Can you hold his hand? Can you tell him that, listen, dude, we've moved on. It's 2024. What did this teach you? Oh, it taught me to never trust somebody who showed me red flags before. Great, take that lesson in. What was the advantage of you having this breakup? Oh, I found the love of my life after this. Oh, excellent. So let's throw flowers at this girl who cheated on you because she led you to the next. Yeah, that feels good. Then you can go and, placate the 15-year-old and say, buddy, I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of how you've grown. You can see that same instance as a gift now instead of an unresolved issue. Because whatever is unresolved will continue to give you pain. But when you resolve it, when you can get the wisdom from it, then you're just more enriched. That is what hypnotherapy does.
मैं ना थोड़ा सा अलग जोन में चला गया. When you were speaking about bullied at 15, girlfriend
Yeah.
dumped you, it hasn't
Yeah.
happened with me.
Yeah.
But I'm just saying that when you spoke about certain things, I was in a place where I could visualize those things happening with me. I don't know if it's
Yeah.
your energy that is being transferred here, or if it's me actually thinking and going back in that zone. But it actually took
You
me
going
back.
back in that zone is just hypnosis.
Ah,
And we can do that just sitting down.
hmm.
People in hypnosis feel like, oh my god, am I going to lose control? I don't want to lose control. And I'm like, don't worry about it. I don't want your control. Keep your control with you. I'm happy if you keep your control with you. Let's just sit and talk. And I can sit with you like this and we can resolve issues. Or I can make you lie down and close your eyes and create an atmosphere where you are more relaxed and we can still resolve the issue.
डर है लोगों में हिप्नोसिस को लेके.
हाँ बिल्कुल है, क्योंकि लोगों को लगता है कि हिप्नोसिस हिप्नोटिज्म है, कि मैं कोई ऐसा पेंडुलम लाऊंगी आपकी आंखों के सामने, ऐसा वो राइट लेफ्ट करेगा और आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि क्या हो रहा है. वो हिप्नोटिज्म है, हम लोग वो नहीं करते. एज हीलर्स वी आर ओनली यूजिंग क्लिनिकल हिप्नोथेरेपी which is never taking away the control of the client. You are in enough consciousness to even lie to me if you want. You are in enough consciousness to say, I don't want to talk about this. But the only thing I tell the client is, झूठ बोलोगे तो मुझे तो मेरा पैसा मिल रहा है, तुमको क्या मिल रहा है? So it's okay for you to not open up and reveal what you want to hide. Someday when you're ready, maybe you will.
Can you tell if the person is lying?
Yes. Because
can?
that's where we can use the NLP techniques of, you know, where your eye is going, whether it's right, left, up, down. That is where the NLP is integrated.
Interesting. So if you're if you're sitting in a certain posture, does that tell you how you're feeling from inside? Sorry. Does that tell you how you're feeling from inside?
Yes, yes. The
so are
science
you
of
very,
body language.
Are you very, sorry, I'm cutting you here. Are you very conscious of how you're sitting right now?
I have learned to be very conscious of how I'm sitting right now because it looks a certain way on camera.
Okay.
Okay, but otherwise, if a person is very fidgety, you know, you always have this kind of leg movement going on,
Yeah.
which means they're not there. One leg is fled, it's outside. Your mind is somewhere else. Okay, but if both your feet are the way you're sitting, cross-legged, completely grounded, the way I'm sitting, completely comfortable in my skin. But you can tell a lot by the way people hold their hands and the way they look at you and, you know, the constant fidgeting and all of that. You can tell.
What can you tell if a person is too fidgety in their nature? What does
They're
it tell about
possibly
a person?
trying to hide something. They don't want to reveal themselves, so they're not very comfortable in revealing themselves fully. So, you know, if you ask me a question, say, okay, Kavyal, how much were you paid in your previous job? And I'm like, around 25,000. But you know, they were going to do this, and I was not paid 25,000, dude. I was paid 15,000 in my previous job. But I need to hide some areas of my face so that it's not a full giveaway. And people do all of this very unconsciously. There is a very beautiful thing in NLP which is called modeling or mood match. Okay, so people do this to build rapport all the time. We teach this in NLP that अगर आपको किसी के साथ बहुत rapport build करना है ना, तो you just model the way they are sitting or the way they are speaking. अगर वो हिंदी में बात कर रहे हैं तो आप हिंदी में बात करेंगे. अगर वो हिंदी मिक्स विद इंग्लिश बात कर रहे हैं तो that's how you will speak. If they are sitting cross-legged, you sit cross-legged. If they have a tendency to look at you and then look away, try and bring that same behavior into yours as well, in a way that you become a mirror to them.
And that makes them comfortable?
That makes them very comfortable. They may never be able to understand ki hua kya, but they will feel like, oh my God, Deepak, this was the best conversation we've ever had. Because we are most comfortable in front of a mirror. And now you've become a mirror to me. That's modeling or mood match. But if you're speaking in a very high-pitched tone and I'm like, yeah, I get you. I get you. You'll be like, off hai yaar, the energy is not. it's not clicking.
Yeah.
अगर आप कॉफ़ी शॉप में कहीं पे जाओगे ना, यू सी 2 टीनेज लवर्स और 2 adults और वेरी मच इनटू ईच अदर. एक ऐसे बैठ के कॉफ़ी स्टर कर रहा है तो दूसरा भी ऐसे बैठ के कॉफ़ी स्टर कर रहा है, right? Which shows that they are very into each other. You will never see this with a husband and a wife. एक फ़ोन पे है, दूसरा मेन्यू पे देख रहा है.
Never.
You rarely see this. So when, you know, some friends of mine, girlfriends of mine, they look at a couple and they're like, hi, look at how they're into each other. That's the kind of marriage that I want. And I look at them and I'm like, yeah, but they're not married. They're married to 2 different people. You can tell.
You can tell.
Yeah.
Why do you think that does not happen with husbands and wives today? Do you think the love fades away after a point?
People have very unrealistic expectations out of the word love. Okay.
What is love for you?
Love is great for a novel or a Karan Johar film. Love in real life is how you can be the most peaceful, congenial, supportive co-passenger to somebody else's life's journey, where you can support your partner in pursuing their dreams instead of trying to make their dreams your dreams or trying to get them to do what you want to do. Unfortunately today, love has become very transactional. What do you bring on the table? I'm bringing this on the table. But you're not bringing enough on the table. So I'm not happy with you anymore. Yeah, sure, I was attracted to you at one point of time and maybe I thought that attraction was love. But attraction can go away like this. We take 30 seconds to go from a soulmate to a soul-hate connection, Deepak. The minute somebody doesn't perform the way we want them to perform or doesn't think the way or act the way we want them to do, we can go from soulmate to soul-hate instantly. तो तब कहाँ जाता है आपका love? If you really love someone, you should be able to continue to love them even when they are not doing things that you're expecting. So the way I see it is, there are going to be ups and downs. You are going to want to like this person enough कि भैया जब डाउन्स भी आएंगे ना तब भी आई नो कि अब मुझे तेरी शक्ल नहीं देखनी शायद 2 दिन या 4 दिन बात नहीं करनी, ठीक है, बट आई स्टिल रिमेंबर द कोर रीज़न वाई आई लाइक्ड यू इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस. यू आर अ गुड गाय, यू आर अ गुड मैन, यू हैव योर वैल्यूज़ इन प्लेस. एंड देन हाउ टू फॉरगेट दैट, हाउ टू फॉरगिव दैट, हाउ टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हाँ यार, वेयर डिड आई ऑल्सो को क्रिएट दिस, मैं भी तो इतना नैगिंग कर रही हूँ ना उसको 1 महीने से. नो वंडर ही इज़ सो कटा, नो वंडर ही डजंट कम होम अर्ली. And when I can take responsibility for my siyappa in the relationship and still hold your hand and say, I'm sorry, yeah, buddy, okay, let's do a clean start tomorrow. That is love. Not, oh, are you going to take me out on one international trip every year? One national trip every year? Are you going to get me your Louis Vuitton? Are you going to get me this? Are you going to get me that? That's not love. That's a corporate contract. Doesn't work like that.
यार आप कितना अच्छे से बात करते हो. मतलब मेरे को लगता है आपका आर्टिकुलेशन बहुत स्ट्रांग है.
यही है मेरे पास.
नहीं, बहुत कुछ है जो कि हम एक्सप्लोर करेंगे इस पॉडकास्ट में, बट यू आर्टिकुलेट थिंग्स रियली वेल. द वे यू स्पीक, एंड आपके डिम्पल्स भी आ रहे हैं जो कि बहुत अच्छी लग रहे हैं. दोनों तरफ आते हैं.
मैं आपको उसका भी एक सीक्रेट बताती हूँ.
डिम्पल्स का सीक्रेट?
नहीं,
अच्छा, बात करने. अच्छा, ओके, मैंने कहा ये तो
डिम्पल्स आर अ डिफेक्ट, यू नो दैट,
राइट?
राइट?
ऑफ कोर्स आई नो.
सो वो डिफेक्टिव पीस तो मैं पहले से है ही.
दिस साइड आई डोंट हैव इट दिस साइड, बट या
dimples are a defect, but whatever, I own them. I got them from my mother. But like I told you in the beginning, I was a below average child. And I have never grown up with, oh, I'm a very intelligent person. I am not a very intelligent person. I'm a heart-driven person. I do everything with honesty and my heart and my intuition. So before I start speaking, I also tell my angels, or I will tell Krishna, or I will tell Archangel Michael that use me. Use me as a flute. Whatever information needs to go and make a difference to anybody, let it flow. I don't think ये बोलना है, मैंने आपके पास ना कोई क्वेश्चंस मांगे हैं ना कुछ है, बिकॉज इट्स लाइक ठीक है, देख लेंगे व्हाटएवर कम्स अप. बट आई एम ऑलवेज अवेयर दैट आई एम ओपन टू रिसीविंग कम्युनिकेशन फ्रॉम wherever and whoever needs to communicate, and then it just comes.
There is a certain sense of energy in the room right now that I can sense, which is one, that of comfort. 2, I feel a sense of upliftment in the room right now.
Oh wow.
I don't know why, and I don't know what is different today. Maybe it's the way you're answering. Maybe it's your articulation or the way you like put things into perspective very simply. I don't know what that is. It could very well be modeling. I don't know. I don't know. But the way the energy I feel in the room is very different from the 65 episodes we've done so far.
Thank you for that.
So-
I'll tell you what that is. And I have been told this by a lot of people, is that I put my flaws on the table in a very non-judgmental manner. और I put जो भी खामियां है, ये नहीं आता, जो आता है. That was how I started off. दीपक, आपको पता है मैं क्या करती हूँ, ये मैं करती हूँ, ये मैं नहीं करती हूँ. And I'm not apologetic about it. I celebrate what I can do. And when I do that, again, by just being in the room, your mind can also give yourself the permission to say, हाँ यार दीपक, तुझे भी तो कहाँ सब कुछ आता है, नहीं आता. There is no pressure to be a certain way. And then you are your best self. When you are your most authentic self, you are your best self.
How can one make the other person feel more comfortable in a conversation?
By really giving them the eye contact without distraction, by not, looking away, and by being in a certain physical proximity where the person feels safe enough to go back and safe enough to lean forward. By whatever they are saying, for as long as you can be patient and listen without trying to give them an advice. अरे यार ये मेरे साथ भी हुआ था, नहीं तू ऐसा क्यों नहीं करता. Leave all that behind. If you can just sit with an intention that I am going to hold space for Deepak right now, for whatever needs to come up. I'm just going to be a fertile soil. उसमें वो जो भी प्लांट करेगा ना, उसके पेड़ उगेंगे. मुझे डेढ़ छाना नहीं बनना है कि नहीं तुमने ऐसा कैसे बोला. नहीं, आई वॉन्ट टू शो हाउ स्मार्ट आई एम, सो फर्स्ट यू लिसन टू मी. लीव दैट बिहाइंड. It's the greatest gift we can give to humanity and any person around us, that you felt heard, seen, and validated when you were in my presence.
So it's just conscious listening.
Conscious listening combined with a lot of love and compassion for whatever they are putting across, without judgment. Oh, ये तो उल्लू का पट्टा है, वो अपने आप को बहुत शाना समझता है. हमारे दिमाग में इतना ज़्यादा कॉन्वर्जेशन चलता है ऑफ जजमेंट. ओके, हाउ मेनी पीपल से आई डोंट जज. हाँ, जो भी सबसे पहले बोलता है आई डोंट जज, वो सबसे ज़्यादा जजमेंटल होता है. बट एनी जजमेंट दैट यू पुट आउटसाइड इज जस्ट क्लोक्ड सेल्फ जजमेंट. क्योंकि दीपक, वी कैन नॉट सी एनीथिंग इन द अदर पर्सन अनलेस वी हैव इट विद इन अस. मुझे आप में
Go further.
खामियां भी नहीं दिखेंगी अगर वो खामियां मुझ में नहीं है. मुझे आप में खूबसूरती भी नहीं दिखेगी अगर वो खूबसूरती मुझ में नहीं है.
Oof.
So when somebody says that, how they say that beauty is in the eye of the beholder, exactly the same way when someone says, I love the way you talk, that's because you speak well. That's because you understand that about you. You can see that about you, and that's why you see it in me. I am just being a mirror to who you are right now. That's all.
ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. आई डोंट थिंक आई कांट पुट टू वर्ड्स व्हाट देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ कंफर्ट एंड आई गेट दैट फ्रॉम माय गेस्ट्स दैट व्हेनेवर दे सिट ऑन द काउच they feel very comfortable. When once they walk back out of this room, they're like, "Maza aaya."
Yeah.
And I'm not being cocky about it, but I'm just saying that the kind of conversations we have, there's no fixed structure, there's no format कि यार मैं सीरियस सवाल पूछूंगा, आप सीरियस
जी.
जवाब करोगे. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. We've been shooting for so long, and one thing I've realized about the guests, some people become a little uptight. कि I will hold back. I will not speak about this. I will stay reserved.
Yeah.
But some people are like, हाँ अच्छा बताओ, like exactly like this, like the way you're sitting.
Yeah.
They're like, हाँ ठीक है, अब बताओ, अब पूछो.
क्योंकि जो मेरे जैसे गेस्ट है ना दीपक, उन्होंने लाइफ से शायद इतने डंडे खाए हैं,
हाँ.
इतनी जगह से डंडे खाए हैं, इतनी जगह से गालियाँ खाई हैं कि अब लगता है कि यार अब क्या ही उखाड़ लोगे जो भी है तुम्हारे सामने उखाड़ लो जो उखाड़ सकते हो. सो दे हैव नाउ बिकम कंफर्टेबल इन देयर स्किन एंड नाउ दे नो दैट देयर इज नथिंग टू लूज. In fact, I feel like if I am my most authentic, I will give somebody else also the permission to be most authentic. So I'm uplifting you just by doing that. One secret that you don't know,
Which is-
or what I did when
which
I
is-
came into this room, is the first thing I do when I enter any room without even speaking is I will sit down and I will close my eyes for 10 seconds and I will imagine that every single thing that is there in this room, including you, including your director, including your mics and cameras and lights, I imagine that it is all growing roots going deep into the center of the earth. I ground the room. So I take support from earth. When I ground everything and everybody, the chances of everything going without glitches, the chances of it going effortlessly, the chances of everyone feeling comfortable and not itchy and edgy is at its highest.
Wow.
That's a little spiritual, magical trick that all healers do. They ground energies.
How do you ground energies?
Just by imagining that the end of your spinal cord is growing roots going very deep into the center of the earth. Right now, even your sofas are grounded. Your whole house is grounded because that's the first thing I did when I walked in. When I am traveling in a flight, I will imagine कि वो पूरा फ्लाइट का भी रूट्स जा रहा है नीचे ज़मीन तक. मतलब टर्ब्यूलेंस कम होगा, एफर्टलेसली जाएगा, कोई तकलीफ नहीं होगी. अगर 300 पैसेंजर्स है तो इमेजिन करती हूँ कि 300 पैसेंजर्स के रूट्स उग रहे हैं तो मतलब बच्चे कम रोएंगे, जूस कम स्पिल होगा. Okay?
क्या करते हो आप? मन में क्या बोलते हो?
Just close your eyes and visualize that the end of anybody's spinal cord is growing roots, going very deep into the center of the earth like a 500-year-old tree. इतना तगड़ा है कि शायद आप उसकी ब्रांचेस काट पाओ, उसको रूट से आप ज़मीन से कभी नहीं उखाड़ सकते. वो कंफर्टेबल हो जाता है, एकदम सॉलिड हो जाता है.
मेरे को ना टर्बुलेंस से थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है.
आपको पता है अब क्या करना है.
So I need to close my eyes and I need to
Visualize that the end of your spine is growing roots going deep into the center of the earth. Imagine that the flight is growing roots going deep into the center of the earth, and those roots can be traveling with the flight wherever it's going from one end of the world to the other. Every crew, pilot, every single person is growing roots. And then you can also go ahead and imagine that Archangel Michael, who is the angel for protection, is putting the whole flight in a purple ball of light. So you have double layers of protection. These are spiritual seat belts that you can put on yourself at any time. It's as simple. The universe is very simple. We make it complicated.
आपकी किस चीज़ से फटती है?
मेरी जस्ट द फियर कि मेरे बच्चों को कुछ फिजिकली तकलीफ ना हो जाए, क्योंकि वो देखना मेरे लिए मुश्किल होगा. दो आई नो दैट इट मे बी अ पार्ट ऑफ देयर लाइफ प्लान एज वेल, बट आई एम अ मदर, राइट? सो नथिंग एल्स.
Can you not control that as well?
We can't control anything.
Can you visualize for them?
I can visualize for them for sure, but we can't control any other person's destiny. Okay, this is a very, very beautiful conversation that we are getting into.
आ जाओ. I told you nothing will be repeated.
My faith is my superpower. Okay, I have unshakable faith. And I always believe that the universe, whatever it is doing in your favor. It's never going against you. It's like the most loving parent that you can ever have. वो अगर आपको डांट भी रहे हैं तो आपके लिए डांट रहे हैं. आपके हाथ से कोई चीज़ छीन भी रहे हैं तो वो आपके लिए छीन रहे हैं. Not against you. तो मैं हर चीज़ को, शायद एक्सीडेंट ही क्यों ना हुआ हो, शायद पैसे का नुकसान ही क्यों ना हुआ हो, मैं हर चीज़ को ऐसे ही देखती हूँ कि अच्छा एक्सीडेंट भी हो गया, चलो सस्ते में निपट गया, एटलीस्ट यू आर स्टिल अलाइव. अच्छा गाड़ी ख़राब हो गई, नहीं यूज़ कर सकते, नो प्रॉब्लम, दूसरी गाड़ी आने का टाइम हो गया था, इसको 12 साल हो गए. अगर चोरी हो गई है, इफ़ समबडी हैज़ बीट्रेड मी, आई फील लाइक अच्छा इट मस्ट बी क्लोजिंग अ कार्मिक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. मैंने किसी का कुछ बिगाड़ा है, अभी ये भाई साहब आके थोड़ा बीट्रे करके अब निकल गए. नाउ थ्रो फ्लावर्स एट दैट पास कि ओके दिस इज़ ओवर, सो आई डोंट हैव टू डील विद दिस एनी मोर. But I don't see like, oh my God, why this, how this shouldn't happen. I never get into that state at all. Never. समटाइम्स आई एम कन्फ्यूज कि मैं ये करूँ या मैं ये करूँ, एंड दैट ऑल्सो आई विल लीव इट अप टू माई एंजल्स के बता दे यार, साइन वाइन दे दे क्या करना है, और उसके लिए तो मेरा टैरो है ही. सो आई विल स्ट्रेट अवे, योर टैरो इज़ अ मिरर टू योर सबकॉन्शियस. आई विल ओपन इट अप. ये होने वाला है, नहीं होने वाला, हाँ अच्छा ये हो जाएगा, कब होएगा, ओहो हो 6 महीने का डील है, 6 महीने शांति पकड़ के बैठ जाओ, 6 महीने के बाद होएगा, व्हेन इट इज़ अ परफेक्ट टाइम फॉर इट टू हैपन. आई डोंट फ्रेट ओवर एनीथिंग. And that's my giveaway to the world around me, that when people come and sit with me, they also take away this vibe that there is nothing to fret. The problem is usually 10%. Our reactions to the problem are the 90%. It is our reactions that make us anxious, panicky, and अब हम लोग reactions को ही सुधारने में लग जाते हैं. Problem तो
What
actually
should
कुछ है ही
people
नहीं.
do to minimize the reaction?
To look at it from the upside down perspective and say that अच्छा, how is the downside better than the upside? ये जो हुआ, इससे मुझे फ़ायदा क्या हो रहा है? आपको आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड ने कभी किसी ज़माने में बिट्रे किया, उसका फ़ायदा क्या हुआ? आपको दूसरी गर्लफ्रेंड मिली. आपको अशोका यूनिवर्सिटी जाना था, आपको वहाँ पे एडमिशन नहीं मिला, उसका फ़ायदा क्या हुआ? आपको NMIMS में एडमिशन मिल गया, आप वहाँ पे चले गए, आपका जो बिजनेस पार्टनर है वो आपको NMIMS में ही मिला, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ हिम यू फाउंड the love of your life in professions, or because of that some creative idea came across, or because of that you could be with your parents. Just look at what's the positive. कभी कभी ना दीपक हमको positive immediately नहीं दिखता. So there could be very heartbreaking events at times, and that also I have experienced, that I'm very angry. Sometimes I'm very angry कि मैं कुछ चीज़ को 10 साल से 15 साल से 20 साल से मांग रही हूँ कि भैया दे दे, it's a practical need, it's a physical need, दे दे, नहीं हो रहा है, कैंसिल हो रहा है बार बार. I will sit in my bathroom, I'll turn on the shower, I will cry, and then I will talk to God, and I'm like, I hate what you're doing to me, I hate this, but thank you in advance. मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि ये तुम किस लिए कर रहे हो या क्या निकलने वाला है इसका. अभी तो मुझे फिलहाल कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है. राइट नाउ आई वांट टू बी अ चाइल्ड एंड थ्रो अ टेंट्रम, बट थैंक यू इन एडवांस, क्योंकि किसी दिन समझ में आ जाएगा. तो मेरे नेगेटिव रिएक्शंस अगर होते भी है ना, तो आई विल टाइम इट कि अच्छा 10 मिनट है, विक्टिम बन के बैठ ले, उसके बाद काम पे चालू. I time my reactions. I'm like, okay, I will give myself 20 minutes to mope, 10 minutes to mope, and that's it. I will not carry it further.
What kind of people come to you for hypnotherapy?
All sorts of people.
With what
All
kind of
sorts
problems?
A lot of anxiety, a lot of panic, fears, confusions, not being able to move on, sense of betrayal, dysfunctional relationships with their parents, और 2 बार डिवोर्स हो चुके हैं, 3 बार डिवोर्स हो चुके हैं, बच्चों से नहीं बनती, you name it. Everything can be dealt on. People who come with smoking addiction, alcohol addiction, everything can be taken
And
care of.
how do they know they have to come to a hypnotherapist? Why not any other psychologist or a counselor?
They would have gone to a couple of psychologists or psychiatrists first, because that is the first place that they will reach out. And I'm not saying that those people don't help. They are very qualified and they are amazing at what they do. But साइकेट्रिस्ट के पास जाते हैं, साइकेट्रिस्ट उनको दवाइयाँ देते हैं, और हमारे इंडिया में ना ये ऐसा माइंडसेट है कि नहीं दवाइयाँ नहीं लेनी. तो आप कंसल्ट करके आ जाओगे, प्रिस्क्रिप्शन लेके दवाइयाँ खरीद के भी आ जाओगे, लेकिन उसको खाओगे नहीं. So that doesn't help. Okay. And sometimes when they go to clinical counselors who will put them through certain tests and everything, they are doing their job. That is their methodology. And they will tell them, acha, okay, so now what can you do? Acha, now what can you do? Acha, now what can you do? But they feel like, हाँ मैंने किया, it helped, but it's still not helping so much. And then somehow they will come across my reel, and then they will come and they'll be like, मुझे ऐसा लगा that no, you are, आपके पास मेरा solution मिलेगा. And I just smile at that, because ऐसा नहीं है कि I am the best among the best or anything like that. The psychiatrists have also helped them, the counselors have also helped them. But like I said, when they see me, they see someone who will listen to them and give them that love and compassion. They see somebody who will make them laugh about their situations, who will keep things light, who will give them a very big hug and hold them for 20 minutes if need be. Because the advantage for me was, I didn't study to be a counselor or a psychologist. Nobody told me you can't hug your client. So I hug my clients. Nobody told me that you can't sing with them, so I sing with them. And sometimes that leads to breakthroughs that you would have never seen with structured methods of what therapy is supposed to be. I've had, one of the cases I'm most proud of is very early on when I was still studying to be a hypnotherapist. There was a woman who was 60 years old and she came to me and she would not speak to anyone. They had just shut down. And at that time, that family didn't have too much money to pay different counselors. तो उसकी बेटी मेरे साथ ही hypnotherapy के कोर्स में पढ़ रही थी. And she said, Kavyal, I somehow feel like मैं मम्मी को आपके पास भेजती हूँ. And I'm like, हाँ ठीक है भेज दे. It's just your mom, we are co-students, we are studying together. And she came and first session didn't talk anything, second session didn't talk anything. I tried my best and then I'm like, यार ये तो मेरा केस है ही नहीं, मैं कहीं और लेके जाती हूँ. In the third session, I had done the same thing that I told you. I just told Krishna, I'm like, use me, yaar, use me to make a difference. And I heard this woman walk in and she was humming when she walked in. When she came in, she went quiet again. So I told her, you sing? And she said, नहीं अभी नहीं. I said, आप गाते थे कभी पहले? And she said, हाँ एक ज़माने में गाती थी. So then I just started telling her, I said, this one is my favorite song. You know what you were humming? मैंने इतने सालों के बाद सुना उसे. And then I started humming it with her. And she was just looking at me. And I'm like, can you hum it with me? Can we sing this together? After 5 minutes, 6 minutes, we just sung songs together for 40 minutes. And after those 40 minutes, she cried and cried and cried and broke down. तो जितना उसका पूरा भरा था ना इतने सालों का, it all shattered. The session after that, she started speaking. So sometimes just creating that space of, all right, let's sing if singing is what is needed. Let's hug if hugging is what is needed. It does miracles.
There's a lot to talk about, Kavyal. You mentioned about one of the cases being, dysfunctional parents or relationships going here and there, or a lot of things, failed marriages, divorces, a lot of things. I want to quickly talk about one angle before we move on to tarot.
Yeah.
Why are marriages becoming so difficult in today's time and age?
Because we don't have the patience. We are always ready that if this marriage doesn't work, I can get out of it. We feel entitled that our partner should be able to be the perfect fit for us, and we are perfect anyways, so we don't have to change anything within ourselves. And just because I'm a high earning person, why do I need to contribute to the house, or why do I need to take care of home responsibilities, or no, parenting should be done like this only, like that. We're too rigid. We are too rigid in our ways and in our opinions. अगर आप दूध हो और आपको दूध ही रहना है बस, और कहीं और चीनी है उसको चीनी ही रहनी है बस, तो वो खीर कभी नहीं बनेगी. You have to lose your identity first to be able to blend and then say चल यार दोनों ही खीर बन जाते हैं. That is needed in a marriage, but that rigidity is not allowing people to blend. If we can just lose the fear कि अगर मैं काव्यल सिद्धानी जो हूँ, अगर वो सिद्धानी का आइडेंटिटी चला गया तो फिर why should I let it go? भाई I've worked so hard on creating this surname. It's not just about the surname, it's your willingness. The willingness is missing. People have become increasingly selfish and impatient. And unfortunately, there is too much variety. There is too much available. There is too much attention very easily available everywhere.
Paradox of plenty.
Yes. People are spending 14 hours at their corporate homes, and they have corporate spouses now. कि ये ऑफिस में मेरा स्पाउस है, ये ऑफिस साइड मेरे काम के साइड को पहचानता है, ये मेरे घर वाला स्पाउस है, ये मेरे घर के साइड को पहचानता है. ऐसे नहीं होता. It is going to prick you. And marriages, spiritually, your partner is a mirror to your deepest, darkest self. So, when a partner comes into your life, you will suddenly, all your deep, dark parts of you will pop up. And then you'll be like, bloody hell, now I'm getting angry, I'm getting envious, I'm getting jealous, I'm getting possessive. It's all because of you. I was never like this. Ask any of my other people. I was never like this. I was the most chill person. Boss, you were always like this. You just didn't know it. Now that this partner has come into your life, they are holding a mirror to your subconscious so that you can see these things and you can use it as an opportunity to heal it. But what do? I don't like you because you make me feel this way. So I will break the mirror and I will choose another mirror. What? Be my guest. The other mirror also in the next couple of years will start showing you the same things. That's how we repeat patterns. When we don't solve something that has come to the surface, we leave it, we abandon it, we choose something else, we repeat the same pattern.
Interesting. So, what constitutes a happy, successful marriage, or is it still a myth?
No. There is this. The formula is very simple. Completely understanding and accepting that this partner that has come into my life has come for me growing emotionally, mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, in every which way. But this growth will not happen on my conditions. My financial growth could happen simply because my husband's businesses failed. Because if his businesses were doing well, I would be a lazy, rich housewife just going to kitty parties. But if I start getting angry, what the hell? How can your businesses fail? That was one condition. I saw that you were rich and that's why I married you and now you're कंगाल and now I hate you. भैया वो बेचारे का काम डूब गया इसीलिए तुम्हारा उभरा है. So you actually got to honor the sacrifice that soul has made so that you could grow. We grow through pain. Deepak, we are a species that grow through pain and threat. अगर हमारी लाइफ पूरी कंफर्टेबल हो गई ना तो हम लोग सिर्फ नेटफ्लिक्स और चिली करेंगे ज़िंदगी भर. किसी को कुछ करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं रहेगी. सोल वर्ल्ड में ऐसा ही है. इन द सोल वर्ल्ड एवरीथिंग इज परफेक्ट. यू वांट अ हाउस, क्लोज योर आइज, इमेजिन, tada, it's right there. But why do we take birth on the human realm? So that we can fall and learn and polish ourselves and experience this whole dynamic and own it. So that it becomes lifelong learning. Otherwise, there's no value of that learning. Sometimes if you want to emotionally grow, you want to experience absolute freedom, भाई फ्रीडम तो तभी ही महसूस होगी जब आप पहले कहीं पे जकड़े हुए पाए जाओ. तो आपका पार्टनर अगर आपको जकड़ के रखता है, पोजेसिव है, आपको छुट्टी नहीं दे रहा है, तब आप जब उस सिचुएशन से लड़ोगे तब फ्रीडम एक्सपीरियंस करोगे ना. To be understood, that is only possible in a premise of misunderstanding.
Of course, when there is a contrary, you understand the meaning of.
That is why we take birth on the earth realm, because the earth realm provides us the contradiction. Because there is darkness, we experience light. Because there is poverty, we experience richness. Because there is insensitivity, we experience sensitivity. So you got to see that my partner could teach me these things in a multitude of ways. But not like, oh, you only teach me through comfort. Nobody learns through comfort. Nobody. When you can own that my partner is doing his best or her best, and I got to do my best, and I got to be patient, and I got to give gratitude for the small things. My partner has also got me in his life because he wants someone who can truly see and appreciate and value who he is without him being perfect. When we can do that for our partners, life is so much more beautiful.
So it's just mirroring your partner.
Mirror your partner and accept the raw sides of them. Accept the imperfect sides of them because that's who you are as well. You are raw, you are imperfect. And like I said, if you're seeing imperfection in your partner, you can only see it because you have it within yourself. तो अगर ये मिथ है कि नहीं मैं परफेक्ट हूँ, मैं तो रूप की रानी हूँ, भैया छोड़ दो उसको साइड पे. कोई परफेक्ट नहीं है.
I want to talk about all of what we spoke about through just these examples.
Yeah.
ठीक है. I don't wish to explore the technical side of either NLP or hypnotherapy or tarot or psycho-spiritual healing. None of it. I feel it's good, and I don't mean to disrespect anybody. It's just because we're shooting this episode, I want such things to reach people in a manner that is anecdotal, in a manner that they can understand in examples that they can understand in. So I just want to basically break down these things, and you can put in techniques
Yeah.
saying that, oh, this can be used here. Oh, this can be used here.
Sure,
Or this is when you do this,
Sure.
this happens.
Sure.
What do you first notice in a film?
The storyline. Always the story. Always the emotions. It's like even if I'm hearing a song, it's always the lyrics for me. Because what you are saying, my NLP teacher had told me once, very long time ago, Kavyal, God is in the word. God is in the word. What are you speaking? What are you listening to? What are you giving out? You know, एक magician होता है ना, magician का एक code word होता है, abracadabra. Do you know what that abracadabra actually means?
I've actually never Googled it.
It means I create as I speak. So when you say, अरे यार लग गए, create कर लिया आपने. When you say, यार amazing this is, कोई challenge ही नहीं है, fantastic, that's what you will create. Okay, so I always tell people, become very conscious of the things that you are saying. Be very conscious of how you're naming your children. When people say, oh, I'm so tired, I'm going to crash. Ouch, don't say crash, just say I'm going to sleep. So for me, the words of...
Why do we say I'm gonna crash?
When people are very tired, that's what they say. I'm so tired, I'm going to crash. Yeah. I'm just going to crash now. They say that, don't say
क्यों
it.
बोलते हैं
Don't
crash?
say it. मतलब मैं तो बस अब पता नहीं मैं कितने ही दिन यहाँ से उठने नहीं वाला, अब मेरे को उठाओ मत, I'm in a complete mess.
Crash.
Yeah. It's a very common word. for
I'm
sleeping.
aware.
Yeah.
Even I say it sometimes.
Yeah,
but
don't
I
say it.
Yeah, but I don't know why people say it. I don't know why people say it. It's just
Well, I don't know why people say most of the things that they say. And people can be very nasty.
when we were speaking about NLP, right? I had a question that I didn't ask that then, but I think it's imperative that I ask you now. When we talk about when we go to networking events, a lot of people, a lot of introverts, they're not able to sort of network with people really well. They feel that, okay, I'm at this event, I'll speak to this person now. How do I maintain the relationship? Or how do I break the ice first? Is there a simple NLP technique or a technique that can help you hold a conversation with somebody that makes the person stay and listen to you?
What you have to change in your head is that I don't want someone to stay and listen to me. I want to stay so that they have someone who will hear them.
Which is
You
how,
need
how
to be
can
the
people do
listener.
that?
Okay. This also came out of Jugaad in my life. When I was younger, ek to mera Kavyal, my surname was Kavyal Hathi.
Okay.
Okay, when I was not married. And when you have a surname called Hathi in school, nobody really wants to talk to you. You're only a subject of bullying. Okay. So I didn't have too many friends in school. Nobody wanted to talk to me. I was not interesting enough. I was not thin enough. I was not sexy enough. I was not getting marks enough. I was not talented enough. So I was the one that was left out. And I realized कि भैया किसी को तुझसे बात नहीं करनी. तो मैंने ये सीखा कि अच्छा किसी को मुझसे बात नहीं करनी तो सही है, but they don't even have somebody who will listen to them. So I became the listener. And when I became the listener now, when I'm just sitting in quietly listening to you, I'm listening to you and I'm like, oh wow, okay, that happened. Okay, tell me more. Are you feeling all right? अब लाइन लगी हुई थी लोगों की. Because they always wanted to come and talk to Kavyal. They wanted to come and talk to Kavyal. They didn't want Kavyal to talk. Okay? So I found a superpower in listening.
I'll break you here, and I'm sorry I'm cutting you off here. For example, Shah Rukh Khan and I are in the same room. I want to walk up to Shah Rukh Khan and strike a conversation. I'm such a fanboy कि मेरी फट रही है कि मैं शाहरुख खान से जाके कैसे बात करूं. All I want to do is have a chill hour with him.
Yes.
I want him to sit on the same couch as I do
Yeah.
and have a very unfiltered conversation.
Yeah.
How do I ensure I do that?
First, you're going to spend the first 8-10 days visualizing in your head how that conversation is going. Just visualize in your own head how it's going. Okay, imagine it to be like a film which you're watching. You're like, अरे यार यहाँ पे तो मैं nervous हो गया. Edit, cut, वापस जाओ, शुरू से शुरू करो. Okay, till you feel like यार मज़ा आया. मेरे imagination में ही मज़ा आया कि ये film कैसे बनी. Okay, what you can imagine in your head again and again, you will create. You can always ground that room in advance. which means that even while you're imagining that I am also sitting there, roots growing from the end of my spine, going deep into the center of the earth. Same for Shah Rukh, same for the sofa, same for everybody else. Okay, so when you naturally go there, no, you'll be like, यार मैं इतना डरा हुआ नहीं था. Somehow it just felt so comfortable. And then just imagine that you're looking up at this person. When you're meeting a person of such high stature, you don't try to mirror them. They will have a certain bossy body language, okay, because they dominate the room.
Yeah.
You don't go and dominate the room with your body language, okay? So you go and be in your own natural self till both of you will start mirroring each other. अगर आप ऐसे ही बैठे हैं और शाहरुख ऐसे बैठा है, eventually Shahrukh will come and sit like this with you, because when you mirror somebody enough, then they begin to mirror you back unconsciously. That's when you know that you've got it. Now the person is really enjoying it.
या इतना प्रेपरेशन के बाद भी अगर मैं सॉरी फॉर माई लैंग्वेज हक दूँ तो फिर वो मोमेंट वापस तो आएगा नहीं.
लेकिन आपने इतनी प्रेपरेशन के बाद भी हक दिया, बट दैट ऑल्सो टॉट यू समथिंग, राइट? इट टॉट यू समथिंग. बट दिस इज अगेन योर इन योर हेड कि मैं हक दूंगा तो कुछ नहीं. शाहरुख इज यूज्ड टू इट.
Shahrukh is used
They're
to it and
used to
so am
it.
I.
They're used to it. So it's fine.
Huh.
We have such grandiose expectations of ourselves of being perfect and trying to impress Shahrukh. You don't need to impress Shahrukh. You don't need it. उसको कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला आपसे impress होके. He just needs to see that you love him, and for him that is the gift that you're giving him. That's why he started his career. So even if you can go and be that vulnerable guy who says that, sir, मेरी पूरी life आपकी film से dominated है, and I'm so grateful, I've learned so much from you. That's enough for him. So you've just gone and given him a gift.
All right. बहुत interesting. Lot of people who look up to stars. Firstly, before that, who do you get starstruck by?
Sadhguru and Oprah Winfrey. I have an Oprah tattoo on my hand. My whole life has been around the need of trying to want to make a difference or trying to connect to people the way she connects with people. So
Are you
Sadhguru
looking
and
for
Oprah Winfrey.
are you looking for similar impact?
Yes.
Or, yeah.
Yes, that's the only thing that I have told myself for so many years. I want to touch people the way she touches them, and that is exactly what I try to do with my work.
All right. So, say have you met Oprah Winfrey?
Yes,
yet?
I have in 2012. I met her. She invited me on her show. I was on a show in 2012 in March. And we spoke after a while. She wrote me a letter. And it was phenomenal. It changed my life.
Have you met Sadhguru?
I have met Sadhguru, yes, when I did the Isha Inner Engineering program. But मेरे दिमाग में अभी भी है that the day I feel really proud of myself is the day I can do a podcast with him like this.
Very cool. So imagining I was going to get to starstruck and then
Yes.
imagining that you've not met them, but say there's a star you're starstruck by.
Yes.
You happen to get a glance of them at the airport.
Yes.
You run a podcast.
Yes.
You want to invite them over.
Yes.
Thousands of people, or say hundreds of people, say, considering it's an airport, hundreds of people will flock to that person and say, ki, oh, I'm such a huge fan of you. Can I get a picture? Can I get a picture? Now imagine you also happen to be one of them.
Yeah.
He or she will not give you any different reaction.
Correct.
He'll be like, हाँ ठीक है, photo ले चल निकल. Assuming that person is sitting right next to you in the flight, what kind of a conversation will you strike with that person? And integrate NLP, integrate everything that you can. I'm basically looking at techniques.
Yeah.
So if you can just break down techniques
Yeah.
in that very normal human scenario,
Yeah.
I think the audience would love it.
First of all, if you really idolize somebody, then you have spent time with them in your head multiple times. Okay, in your head you always say, oh, I've met them, I've seen them. I dream of Oprah Winfrey very often. I've dreamt of Sadhguru very often. Okay, so in your head that prep is already there. Okay, the minute you see them, you can imagine that a lot of love is going out from your heart onto theirs. That's what they do in Reiki, that they send out a lot of healing energies, like pink hearts going from me to you and coming back from you to me. That is already sending a certain loving vibration. So something may happen, even they may be terribly busy, but somehow when you do that, they will turn around, give you a glance and do this and kind of walk off. and keep asking, be very clear of what you want from the universe. मेरे पास एक फ़ोटोग्राफ थी मेरी और ओपरा विनफ्री की साथ में फ़ोटोशॉप की हुई 2002 से, एंड एज इफ वी हैड बोथ टेकन अ पिक्चर टुगेदर, एंड आई वुड कीप आस्किंग द यूनिवर्स, यार मेरे को उस ओपरा के साथ एक फ़ोटो दे दे, एक फ़ोटो दे दे, एक फ़ोटो दे दे, एक फ़ोटो दे दे, एंड अज्यूमिंग इन माई हेड कि भाई मैं उसको मिलूंगी तभी तो फ़ोटो आएगी, right? And in 2012, when Oprah came to India in Jaipur, when I met her, I was there. 7 leading newspapers the next day had my photo with Oprah. Okay, but I am like this crazy screaming fan with a board in my hand, and that's my picture, and that's Oprah, and I'm looking at God, and I'm like, यार ऐसे नहीं चाहिए थी photo. So then I asked, I said नहीं, अब तो मुझे उससे reality में बात करनी है, अब तो बात करनी है, मैं husband सिंह कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं हो गया? And I'm like, नहीं मुझे तो बात करनी है. Never stop asking the universe. 1 महीने बाद she called and she said, I want you to be on my show. And I'm like, how's that possible? You just shut down the Oprah Winfrey show. She's saying, yes, but I'm starting a new one. This is the first episode. It's called The Life Class, and I want you there. Keep asking. Don't give up asking. What's the worst that will happen? They'll say, no. Doesn't matter. And Oprah did that. When I spoke to her and she said, what do you want? And I said, I want to work with you. And she said, come. तब वहाँ पे मेरी भी फट गई. मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ यार, मैंने तो मांगा था ये अज्यूम करके कि ये मुझे कभी मिल ही नहीं सकता, लेकिन अब तो ये मिल गया. And she said, come. And I'm like, oh, but I can't. So she said the most beautiful thing. She said, you asked for something, it came to you, you were not prepared. Your only job now is to prepare yourself every single day, because this opportunity will come again. Make sure you're prepared enough to accept it when it comes.
You know, Kavyal, funnily enough,
Yeah.
when you said these lines,
Yeah.
I've been hearing somewhat similar lines
Yeah.
with guests who've been here on the show.
Yeah.
And there have been actors, creators,
Yeah.
directors, musicians, beatboxers, RJs, people from all sorts of fields coming here and talk about what they've gone through. And an actor, primarily bunch of actors have come on the show, and I've spoken to them, and I've told this one actor that, listen, क्या ये बोलना सही रहेगा कि आप एक कैमियो एक्टर हो? He's like, दीपक, ऑफ कोर्स बोलना सही रहेगा, मैं हूँ कैमियो एक्टर. कैमियो एक्टर को क्या बोलोगे? अगर कैमियो एक्टर नहीं बोलोगे, कैमियो एक्टर ही बोलोगे. मैंने कहा ओके. He didn't get work for say 2.5 years. He was sitting in the room, was prepping, giving auditions, didn't get a role. I was like, how do you face rejection? He said, when you're not working, that's when you're working the most.
Yeah.
And it struck a chord with me.
Yeah.
And I was like, 1 second, थोड़ा 5 सेकेंड दे दो मेरे को ये रजिस्टर करने के लिए, because it's something that is a little heavy. I won't be able to let go of this. So when you said, make sure you're ready when the opportunity comes to you, you're asking कि हाँ ठीक है, I want to become the #1 podcast in the world.
Yeah.
What if PM Modi wants to be on your show?
Yeah.
Are you ready to ask him questions?
Yeah.
I don't
Yeah.
think so.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think of the most difficult conversation I'm going to have with a guest, and I think यार ये होगा तो मज़ा आ जाएगा. Like, imagine Virat Kohli sitting in front of me. Will I be able to hold a conversation? I don't know.
Maybe not. Yeah. Just prepare yourself, because that what you're asking for will come. In 2007, I did the Landmark Forum Education. Okay, advanced level. और वहाँ पे ना 350-400 लोग एक साथ होते हैं. So they asked us that, what is your grandest dream that you have for yourself? Announce it to the room. And at that time I said, I want to be the Oprah of India. और मेरी बैंड बज रही थी जब मैं ये बोल रही थी. My knees were buckling, I was shivering, I was going through a panic attack, and my mic was like kad, and I'm like, I'm really scared to say this, but cut to now, I can very easily visualize that कहीं ना कहीं Netflix से कोई mental health पे कुछ तो documentary बनेगी, and I'm going to be a part of it. I can see it happen. Very easily see it happen, because I have consistently worked for it. I've shown up for myself every single day. Every single day. And the universe wants to make it happen for you. It's not against you. But like I said, हम लोग कभी कभी चीज़ें मांगते हैं assuming कि कभी नहीं मिलेगी, तो मांगने में क्या हर्ज है भाई. लेकिन अगर मिलेंगी ना तो वो आपकी लाइफ चेंज कर देगी. Are you prepared for that change of life? You may not be prepared for that change of life, because we are creatures of habit. कुछ नहीं चेंज करना है, जैसा है वैसा बना रहे बस. It will change your life, but you got to be prepared.
Interesting. A lot of people say if you announce something that you want out loud, it will not come to you.
That is, I'll tell you why that happens. कुछ लोग हैं ना, अगर उनको चाहिए मेरे को ये करना है और 10 फ्रेंड से जाके बोल देंगे ये करना है, ये करना है, ये करना है, सब बोलेंगे ब्रो सही आइडिया बॉस, मतलब मस्त है, सुपर हिट है, तू तो हीरो बनने वाला है. अब उन 10 लोगों के फीडबैक में से ही हमको इतना इंस्टेंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन मिलता है ना कि अब लगता है मज़ा आ गया, सब लोगों ने बोला मस्त आइडिया है, अब काम भी कर लेंगे, कर ही लेंगे. इतना इंस्टेंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन, अभी तो सेरोटोनिन अप हो गया, डोपामिन अप हो गया, अब 2 हफ्ते के बाद शुरू करते हैं काम. बिकॉज दे गेट दैट इंस्टेंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन फ्रॉम पीपल फ्रॉम एवरीवेयर, दे डोंट एक्चुअली पुट इन द हार्ड वर्क. So people now need to work on delayed gratification. If anybody wants to really make things happen, work on delayed gratification. मैं काम आज करूँगा, इसका रिजल्ट मेरे को शायद 2 साल के बाद मिले. But I'm looking at the long-term benefits. Long-term benefits. Everybody today wants to be an influencer. Because they feel like influencer बन गए, कल पैसे आ जाएंगे, परसों प्रोडक्ट्स आ जाएंगे, उसके बाद अवार्ड्स मिल जाएंगे. ऐसे नहीं होता. अगर सब लोग इन्फ्लुएंसर ही बने तो काम कौन करेगा? द कंट्री हैज़ टू रन, द वर्ल्ड हैज़ टू रन. दिस इज वन एस्पेक्ट, बट बिकॉज दे फील लाइक इट्स ऑल इंस्टेंट, you fall for it. It doesn't work like that.
So announcing something out to the world is not wrong, as long as you are grounded and doing your work.
You have to continue doing your work. I announce things like if I want to meet Sadhguru, I will ask everybody, तेरा कोई कनेक्ट है क्या? I want to meet Sadhguru. मैं 25 लोगों को बोल के रखूँगी, I want to meet Sadhguru, I want to meet Sadhguru, I want to meet Sadhguru, I want to meet Sadhguru. क्या पता किस दिन सितारा चमके and they'll be like, hey, I'm the manager of this hotel and he's coming and staying here. You want to meet him? I can make you meet him. And I'm like, yes, I want to. Okay, so I am open to receiving help. Typically what happens with the men is direction पूछने के लिए भी रोकेंगे नहीं. हाँ मुझे पता है, मुझे पता है. And the woman will be like, अरे पूछ ले, राइट जाना है, लेफ्ट लाना है, पूछ ले. मैं हज़ारों लोगों को पूछती हूँ, कैन यू हेल्प, कैन यू हेल्प, कैन यू हेल्प. एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी बेशरम लाइक दैट. लाइक आई सेड, जो नहीं आता नहीं आता, तो वहाँ पे मैं अपना सर नहीं फोड़ती. आई डोंट ट्राई टू बी ओवर स्मार्ट. नहीं आता भाई, कहाँ पे हेल्प कर सकते हो. एंड इट्स अ प्रिविलेज एंड एन अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर दोज पीपल ऑल्सो टू हेल्प मी. दे फील हैप्पी दैट इसका काम मैंने कराया. It's an opportunity for them. It's an opportunity for balancing karma as well. So ask for help, but don't sit with, everybody loved the idea, काम बाद में करेंगे. That is your enemy.
Psychologically, how are men and women different?
In multiple ways. So the masculine energy is a very yes and no energy. It's a black and white energy. The feminine energy is a flowing energy. It's the gray. The masculine is the hardware. The feminine is the software. The masculine is the tube light. The feminine is the electricity running through it. Okay? So, anything that flows is the feminine. Anything that holds is the masculine. Okay? So, that way they can be very, very different in nature. One is very logical, one is intuitive. So, men are very... अगर उनके सामने कोई रो रहा है तो बोलेंगे क्या हो गया, क्या प्रॉब्लम है, अच्छा तो ये कर लो. And a woman is like, सोल्यूशन नहीं चाहिए. सुन ले मेरी बात, सुन ले मेरी बात.
A pat on my back. Great podcaster. Finally. Success has been achieved. I have grounded my roots. मैंने अपने रूम को बोला कि सुन साले, गाली निकलवा. And it happened.
Yeah, you kept persevering. So
coming back,
that's where they are different. That women want to be heard and validated, and a man is like, problem है तो solution नहीं चाहिए ना, और क्या चाहिए तुमको.
हाँ, that is how a typical man would think.
Yeah, and that's exactly why a woman feels like ये आदमी मुझे समझता ही नहीं है. Because a woman is not looking for solutions. She's looking to be heard. She's looking to be held. She's looking to feel safe. You know, women nowadays have become so masculine themselves. They feel like, I'm the man. I'm the man. I'm the boy of the house. They will smoke the cigarettes and they'll go out and do the whiskey neat shots and very, very, very masculine behavior. and then they find one man in their life, one man who is uber masculine, 10 times more masculine than them. That's where she can go and be that feminine self. कि यहाँ पे मैं अपने guards छोड़ सकती हूँ. यहाँ पे I can be that little girl who just says, just give me attention, baby. You know, there she doesn't want to be in charge. There she doesn't want to be in control. That is the beauty. That is when you truly see a union, the Shiv and the Shakti. But as a man, your job is to hold the energy of the feminine. That's all.
Break down the world of tarot in the next 2 minutes.
Tarot is a mirror to your subconscious.
Does tarot actually work?
Oh, works beautifully. I love the tarot. For me, tarot is an extension of me. It's like, you know, मेरे दिमाग में 1000 चीजें चल रही है, मैं पत्ते यहाँ पे खोल देती हूँ, मेरे को समझ में आता है ये चल रहा है,
क्या
ये चल रहा है,
पत्ते
ये
होते
चल रहा है.
हैं? Do you have the?
Yes, I have my deck with me right here.
Can you do like a live session?
Yes, I can do like a live session. Why not?
Why do I even prepare questions?
It's my dream to actually be able to teach tarot to every girl in every house, because I feel like even if you don't want to become a tarot reader, it makes your life so simple.
Zoom
So
out कर लेना थोड़ा
simple.
सा. The way, like, I want the shuffling also to be visible. A live tarot session on the podcast has never happened before. Let's do it.
All right, there's not enough space for me to spread.
It's okay.
Okay, but tell me, ask me a question.
I'll ask you a question.
Yes.
Any
What do
question.
you want to know?
Oh, what do I want to know? I want to know the world of tarot.
Oh, no. Give me a question for the tarot. Is there a guidance that you need?
Okay.
So if I say, let me make it simple. How's Deepak's day going to go today?
Go for it.
Okay. 4 of Wands. Okay. Which means that everything is going to be stable.
4 of Wands.
4 of Wands.
Okay.
You'll feel accomplished. You'll feel like it was bittersweet. Something, कुछ अच्छा सा news आया या podcast अच्छा गया. सब कुछ सही है. It is leading you towards growth only. There is nothing to be worried about.
Today. Okay.
It's a good, stable, happy feeling there for you. There could be some celebration, some party, some get together as well.
Okay.
It's a good day.
Why did you pick that card? Why
Because
not any of the other cards?
intuitively, my hand will take me to something, some card that needs to speak to you.
What does Kavyal Sidani's day look like today?
What does Kavyal Sitani's day look like today? Okay, I'm going to shuffle that again.
Why are you shuffling again?
Because when I had shuffled the last time, in my head I had an intent that bring me the best cards for Deepa. Not
So
for
now
me.
the
So
intent
now
is
I'm
bringing
like,
the
it's
best
for
cards
me.
for Kavyal.
No, now Kavyal is bringing the best cards for Kavyal.
Okay.
Okay, how's my day going to be today? 7 of Swords. Okay, 7 of Swords meaning I may try to do a little bit more than I can. Okay, there may be a little bit more. I could be operating from a space of greed कि चलो इतना काम कर लिया थोड़ा और भी कर लेते हैं. I also have to be careful of someone trying to cheat me. किसी ने और कहीं पे ज़्यादा पैसा ले लिया. स्विगी वाले ने 2 ऑर्डर दे दिए एक ऑर्डर के बदले. Some small things or big things. But I
And
have
how
to be
do you
careful.
how do you pick on the cards? If you had to pick any other card apart from that card, would it
Yeah.
still hold true?
It would still hold true. Of course it would. But your hand intuitively will take you towards what message you need to know.
So, for example, if I say that, let's be a little more risky. Say now we spoke about how does the day look like, which is like just today.
Yes.
How does the remaining of my year look like?
The remaining of
How
2024.
my sorry, before you pick, my question is how far can you see tarot?
I can see tarot for the next 1-2 years at least.
1-2 years at least.
Yeah, because and why I don't see very long readings is because our free will always come in between.
Correct.
Okay, so if I say that ओहो आज का दिन में तो टावर आ रहा है मतलब बहुत भयंकर सा कार्ड लोगों को लगता है कि something is going to break down. I'm like okay टावर आ रहा है मतलब जैसा मेरे दिमाग में है ना वैसे ये दिन नहीं जाने वाला है. No problem, no stress. I'll keep a backup plan.
Okay.
Okay, so I use my free will in my advantage. So then if my future is looking dark and I'm like अच्छा it's looking dark पैसे डूबने वाले हैं ठीक है भैया इन्वेस्टमेंट्स का बैकअप करो. अच्छा काम कम होने वाला है ठीक है भैया हॉलीडे प्लान करो. तो मेरी लाइफ कभी ज़्यादा उथल पुथल नहीं होती because I don't fear the cards.
And can you read the tarot? Is it only for an individual or is it can it be for
It can be for a company, it can be for a family.
It can be for the country at large as well.
It can be for the country at large as well.
Can
yes.
we predict the next 6 months for India? Can
Yes,
we
you
see
can.
how does the next 6 months for the country look like?
Yes, you can.
Let's do
Don't
it.
make me do that right now because that'll take time. That'll take a lot of time.
यार ये तो safe answer हो गया. मेरे को तो चाहिए कुछ. We can't even try. We can attempt. We can at least attempt.
6 months for India, you know, the thing is, India has so many states and so many cities that that at large reading won't hold true. Then maybe we need to look at, अच्छा, बॉम्बे में भी देखते हैं तो बॉम्बे में भी कितने सारे सेक्टर्स हैं. सो ब्रेक इट डाउन टू अ क्वेश्चन दैट गिव्स अस मोर pinpointed answers.
Pinpointed answers. ठीक है. I want to be a little risky with my venture only.
Okay.
But I think I'll be scared of the outcome.
The chill
Like-
hour?
Yeah.
Okay, so can I say what is in store for chill hour for the next 3 months?
Go for it.
Okay.
But do you have to again wind
No.
up and
How's
shuffle?
chill hour doing for the next 3 months? We are in August, September, October. Okay, so in August I have the 8 of Wands, which means that there could be some issues which will come at a very fast pace. Suddenly आएंगे और suddenly चले भी जाएंगे, sort भी हो जाएंगे. Okay, but a minor blockage could be expected in August. But because of that blockage, some creative solutions will come up. You will learn something new, and then you will be able to apply them in September. So September, you will be doing more work than you're doing now. Your creativity will be enhanced, more enhanced than what it is now. It's taking you, because of this negative, it is taking you towards a positive. Okay, so and October we have the moon. So October is unpredictable. You cannot say how it's going to be, though I also see that it's going to bring you some more fame, some more followers, some more accolades. But certain podcasts you will plan, and you could also be talking about anxiety and depression a lot in
Which
September.
month? September.
Sorry, October.
October.
In October. Okay, because when the moon comes up, it talks about mental health. So it's likely that in October you could be speaking about anxieties, depressions, schizophrenia as in mental health issues. But in October you may also come across somebody that you should not fully trust. People around you could have a hidden agenda. So be careful of that.
Can we predict for the next 3 more months, like November and
We
December?
can,
Just
but
2
I
more
need to
months.
go.
All right, you need to go. Thank you so much. I'm being greedy, but
That's what my card was saying, right? There's somebody around you that's trying to be greedy.
I have a lot more questions, but probably we'll do a repeat episode sometime
We can do that.
later. Maybe in October when we talk about mental health. But thank you so much, Kavil, for doing this. I hope you had a chill hour. I hope you spoke about things that you haven't spoken about so far in any of your previous
I've
podcasts.
spoken about a lot of things that I haven't spoken about, and I just hope that you don't put me in trouble putting all of that.
Did you have what kind of a perception you had before coming to the podcast? What kind of conversations will happen?
I have no perception. I just went by the title, The Chill Hour, and I'm like, okay, that's what we're going to do. We are going to be our most relaxed best. When I go into a room, I just feel like I want to be a part of that room and not try to bring across a different identity, and I think I really enjoyed that.
Lovely. And do you think, like, before starting, you mentioned that you've spoken about hypnotherapy at length in previous
Yeah.
episodes.
Yeah.
Do you think we've repeated conversations?
A few bits here and there
Few
could
bits
have
has
been.
to will repeat, but
No.
overall,
No.
all good.
All good.
What is your experience
All
of the
good.
podcast on that
All
camera?
good. Oh,
Looking
yeah.
at that camera, एकदम सच बता देना जो आपको लगे.
मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा ही सच बोला है जो मुझे लगता है, और अब मैं इसके कमेंट्स को म्यूट कर दूँगी क्योंकि इसके बाद जो मुझे शायद गालियाँ पड़ेंगी. But like I said, I've been my most authentic self, and this is what you get. You take it or you leave it.
Lovely, awesome. Can you ask people to subscribe to the channel, because मेरी बात सुनते नहीं है वो.
Please subscribe to The Chill Hour. This is a podcast that is going to go far and wide, and he's going to be interviewing Shah Rukh Khan soon, so you don't want to miss that. And tathastu to all of your dreams, Deepak.
Thank you so much. विराट कोहली भी mention कर दो.
Virat Kohli also. soon.
MS धोनी भी mention कर दो. I'm being
MS
greedy,
Dhoni
I know.
also. Yes. Now you see how
Sending
the tarot
energy
works.
out there in the universe. Thank you so much, Kavyal, for being on the show.
Thank
I
you very
hope you had
much.
fun.
Yes, I did. Thank you.
Guys, please subscribe to the channel. You already know the drill. Like, share, subscribe. I will put Kavyal's social links in the description. Please go check it out. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Tinder, Bumble if she's on.
No, I'm not on any of these.
But please follow her everywhere. Very interesting content coming up. हमारे reels ही आएंगे तो of course it has to be interesting. Some of the clips will go live on a different channel of ours, which is called Deepak Parekh Clips. So do subscribe to that as well. You'll find it somewhere here and there. But thank you so much for watching. Comment on your most favorite part in the comment section, and I'll see you next Friday at 6 p.m. Thank you. It's a wrap.